So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to roast our pecans. We're going to roast 1 cup of whole pecans. We're not going to put any oil or anything on them. We're going to roast them for 8 minutes, and then we're going to chop them up. 8 minutes. Okay, now we're going to start on our batter. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to separate 2 eggs. This always excites me to separate the eggs. Just going to throw them right in the bowl, in our main mixing bowl. My family loves, loves, loves this recipe. It's a little more work, but it is an amazing recipe. Okay, we're going to start. We're going to whip these eggs just a little bit. And we're just going to put these to the side, and I'm going to start doing our ingredients. Okay, we have our 2 eggs. Okay, we need 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Just going to pop it right in. We need 1 stick of melted butter. And sometimes I like to use a mason jar for to put the butter in. Okay, we need 1/2 cup of sugar, of granulated sugar. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 2 teaspoons of baking soda. 1 cup of buttermilk. I love the way buttermilk pours. And 1 stick of butter, and that is salted. And 1/2 cup of milk, and I used whole milk. Okay, and I'm going to put in 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, we're going to just whisk it around. And remember, pancakes can have a little bit of a lump. This will be your go-to pancake recipe. I think the batter is so beautiful. Okay, now our pecans are ready. I'm going to get them out of the oven. Eight minutes is all you need. Okay, I'm going to take my little crusher and go ahead and take the parchment paper off. I'm going to go ahead and crush up these pecans with a little chopper. And you can really smell the pecans. But I find over 8 minutes they get too dark. So this was a cup full. We're gonna take 1/4 cup and we're gonna leave those out to put on top of the pancakes. I use my rolling pin because I don't want a fine ground pecan. I just want pecans that are chopped up. And sometimes when I beat those, it turns into like a ground, almost like a grain. But if I do it like this, to put in my pancakes, they'll have a great flavor and the perfect texture that I want for my pancakes. If you're gonna eat pancakes and waste all those calories, you might as well make them right. Okay, that is good. I'm gonna go ahead and fold them right in. So we got that all folded in. Now we're going to take our egg whites and we're going to do them very gently. We're going to do them very gently. We don't want to break the air in our egg whites. And this makes a beautiful, beautiful pancake. I love pecan pancakes. I go to Cracker Barrel, and when I go there and they have them, I get them. And it's okay if there's white streaks. Just gonna fold it all in, make sure it's well incorporated. Okay, and your batter looks very, very full. Fluffy, fluffy. A beautiful Saturday. I woke up this morning and it was so cold and ice was everywhere, everywhere. I'm gonna set this aside. We're gonna get our griddle ready. I'll be right back. I'm gonna get my griddle ready. Okay, our griddle is at 350 degrees. I have a little bit of butter here. I have to turn it down to like 300. I'm just going to use a ice cream scoop because it's about 1/4 of a cup. And if you don't have a griddle, you can just cook this on the stove. You can freeze these pancakes. And we want to wait till they get all bubbly. Maybe I turned it down a little low. 350 was right. Okay, we're going to let those get good and bubbly. And I'm going to get me something to drink. I'm really thirsty. I made me a Sunjoy. Half unsweet tea and half light lemonade. I love them. Love them. My hardest part in the kitchen is waiting for something to get done. I am so impatient, and you have to be patient in the kitchen, and it's hard sometimes because you know how good these are. Beautiful. Look at those pancakes. These are scrumptious. These would be what you would find at a high-end restaurant. No joke. If you went to a luxury hotel and you ordered pancakes, this is what you should get. Really. These are that good. That good. Gorgeous. Look at these pancakes. Aren't they gorgeous? I love my pancakes to have that little bit of crisp on them. Oh my goodness. Scrumptious, scrumptious, scrumptious. Okay, we're going to get our syrup ready. I'm just going to put some maple syrup right here in a little glass, and I'm going to heat it up. And heat it up for like 30 seconds. I'm anxious to see how much this makes. I've never really counted them before. Okay, we don't want to serve our pancakes with cold syrup. It just kind of ruins it. Great to warm up your syrup if you use regular pancake syrup, or I use some maple syrup. Whatever you have, or whatever you're used to or your kids like, use that. But I love, love, love these pancakes. And I can remember when my kids were growing up, I would make these pancakes for them. It just brings back so many memories of Saturday morning making these kids pancakes. And that was a long, long time ago. But those memories are so strong. What did you make for your kids? Or what are you making for your kids now, or your grandkids, that you did for your children? You continue that on. And one day I want to teach my little grandkids how to make this. I never taught my boys, but I'd like to teach my little granddaughter how to make these pancakes. So if you were cooking these, I'd cook them on medium heat. A cast iron pan if you have it, or a griddle pan if you have it, but a regular frying pan. It just takes a little longer, that's all. But there's nothing wrong with that. Maybe you don't have a large family, or maybe you do. It doesn't matter. They all wait in line, and However you do it, whatever size family, that's the way you do it. But don't let that stop you from making these pancakes. This is a great supper idea because this is what we're having for supper. Pancakes. Cook up a pound of bacon or just have pancakes. All right, these are my homemade pancakes, and I covered them with syrup. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. These are the best pancakes you will ever eat. Got that pecan. Oh my gosh, y'all, this is so good. I'm supposed to be eating this with my family in just a few minutes because we're going to keep them warm in the oven. Oh well, I love pancakes. You guys go, hit the like, subscribe, comment. I love your comments. You guys, I tell you, I've got the best viewers, subscribers of any person on YouTube. Kindest bunch of people I ever seen. Loving and kind and share the sweetest stories. I just love my viewers and my subscribers. You guys go, make these pancakes. Have a wonderful, wonderful